Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 22nd, 2021, and it's Wednesday. Forgot that part. Anyway, this is not financial advice. The video is educational only. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified. Share the video. This is RLC. It needs to be RLC'd. Seriously, it does. I think this is a great crypto pair for a decentralized cloud platform. You know this already if you've watched my prior videos. Lots of intraday updates going on Twitter. Let's go take a look at the RLC US dollar pair. Now, we are up probably a little over 10% since yesterday's video. Don't let the greatness of the upswing fool you. I think we're going to be sideways, like 10% here, 10% there. This is peanuts in crypto land. So I never get worried when any of my positions go down 10, 15%. Or, you know, if they go up 10, 15%, I'm not particularly elated either. But we are up 11, 12% right now in the RLC US dollar pair. And, you know, if we take another look and we zoom into what we were talking about yesterday, this is what has gone down. We have this lower bound, this yellow line. If I zoom out again, you'll see what it looks like. That yellow line is that bottom line in the channel. So we continue to respect it, and respect is a good thing on this particular bottom line of support. We wanted to disrespect the top line of support because we just wanted to kind of plow through there. But on the bottom, right now, we're still pretty strong on that bottom line of support. And back over this other intermediary support, which is on this horizontal yellow line. So we're at 30.38 right now, feeling comfortable there. Let's take a look at RLC Bitcoin. This is the chart I generally love. Got me a little antsy over the last few days, I'm not going to lie. But clearly, you know, we're back onto respecting this line over the last 24 hours. We're about 7,800 right now, whereas last night we were at 73.40. So really, we're only up 5% on this bad boy, but the other 5% is coming, or 5 or 6% is coming from Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin's been the real strong, heavy hitter here in terms of moving the alt market into positive momentum. And this is exactly why. Because when Bitcoin goes up, as it has, here's Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin US dollar. Bitcoin went from like the bowels down here, 39 and change, like the high 39s, all the way back up. But don't let this northerly wind fool you. This is not going to last, in my opinion. I think this is very similar here. When we went down mid-cycle, this last Bitcoin debacle back in June, this is the same thing over here in September. But back in June, we bounced back up nicely. Then we came back down. I think we're going to bounce back nicely, but probably to midway, and then we're going to start bouncing back down. That's just my opinion. You know, so keep your eye open. But I think generally speaking, this is going to be sideways action for the next week or so. We'll be stuck in a range, I think. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance. Man, this was at 42.25 yesterday. We're down to 41.64, which means people are feeling very peppy in the altcoin market. Very positive in the altcoin market because retail is back today. Why? Well, the stock market's doing well. People are happy again. Jubilation running amok. Let me tell you, this will probably last for a little bit until towards the end of the week. Something big is going to crap out. Could be Evergrande. Who knows? But something doesn't feel right. At least in the crypto space, feels like we're going to just go sideways probably for another week and a half, 2 weeks tops, in my opinion. Anyway, that's pretty much all I've got right now. Again, where do I think we're going right now over the next few days? I think we're going sideways for now, unless something else dramatic changes. RLC Bitcoin, same thing. You know, I'd like to make sure we're over this line, obviously, and I think we will. I think because of the sideways action, you know, things quell in crypto land, and then you get a little bit more of a bid in the altcoin market. So that should help maybe keep this thing level and potentially go crawling up that line, which is what we want on the RLC Bitcoin pair. And of course, this right here, I think we're going to wind up being within the range between 387 and 318. So anyway, I'm out. Hope everyone's well. Take care.